How to save a Claude conversation to Google Docs on PC. This tutorial shows you how to export your Claude chats directly to Google Docs using a browser extension. First, open a new tab in your browser and type in Web Store in the address bar. After that, if you are on Chrome, it will take you to the Chrome Web Store. If you are on Firefox or any other browser, search for their own web store instead. From there, type Claude to Doc in the search bar. At this point, look for the extension by thinksolve.com called Claude to PDF, Word, and Google Docs, and click on it. In the next step, click on Add to Chrome at the top right corner of the page, and confirm by clicking Add Extension. Following this, once the extension is installed, go back and refresh your Claude page. Once done, you will now see a set of new icons appearing at the top right corner of the Claude chat window. From here, click on the third icon to export the entire conversation as a Google Docs file. At this stage, it will ask you to select the Google account you want to save the document to, choose your preferred account. Finally, once selected, a new window will open with your full Claude conversation saved as a Google Doc. You can also find this document anytime by going to your Google Drive. And that's it. If this guide helped you save your Claude conversation to Google Docs, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.